अगला स्टेशन सिजजी है.
The next station is Syzygy.
Not bad. Damn it. False alarm. Bloody couples. Oh my god, wow, look at us. We're a couple. We're so happy together. Let's do some more couple shit together to make everyone jealous. Ugh, losers. What do we have here? Oh hey, I'm so funny. Now I'll say some really funny shit to make all these girls laugh their asses off. Gay.
Okay, that's homophobic.
What? How?
I mean, just because he's sitting with a bunch of girls and they're all having fun doesn't mean he's gay. In fact, तू ये सब made up social prejudices बस अपनी ego satisfy करने के लिए use कर रहा है, and hence reinforcing these nonsense stereotypes. That is homophobic and presumptuous.
What? Okay, पहली बात तो stop invading my privacy, okay? And also, you can't know that for sure. क्या पता सही में हो?
Oh my god, Knox, you'd really go this far just to prove your point? That is unbelievable.
So what are you ladies up to?
कुछ नहीं यार, we're just talking about that guy over there and wondering if he's, not straight.
Oh, that guy? Yeah, he's gay.
Oh my god, Khanna, even you. That is unbelievable. Stop reinforcing this obsolete shit.
What?
Seriously, you think it's funny to call someone gay?
Dude, he's actually gay. His boyfriend lives on my floor.
Well.
You know what, that doesn't... You know what, screw you guys. I'll prove my point the next time you make fun of a slightly effeminate man.
I have to agree, it was really unnecessary of you, Knox.
हाँ, बोल लो, मैं तो हूँ ही बुरा इंसान.
हाँ, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. ऊपर से you're probably creeping out the entire mess.
Oh hello, ये तू बोल रहा है?
What?
As if I haven't seen you staring at that हंसों का जोड़ा.
The fuck? No. I mean, I wasn't staring. I was just wondering.
Right.
I mean, just look at that man. She's so pretty and he's smart. Kind of look perfect, you know?
Bro, ये समोसा थोड़ा जल गया क्या? Oh wait, वो तो तेरी गांड है.
It's not like that, man. Okay, fine. She's real pretty. But then, that guy, such a nice guy, you know? मतलब तो देख, वो पढ़ाई में अच्छा है and he plays football. Plus मैंने एक दो बार बात करी है उससे. Such a sweet guy, you know?
और ऊपर से वो फुटबॉल मैच में क्या हॉट गोल मारा था ना उसने. Like, I still want to kick him in the balls because he's just so perfect, you know? Such a sweet guy and all.
Yeah, he's a sweet guy. And apparently his girlfriend's also a very talented dancer. And that makes it a whole lot worse. Okay, fuck, हाँ. थोड़ी जल रही है.
भाई वो सब छोड़ो. How good is this samosa?
हाँ, मेस में ऐसे एक्सीडेंट्स थोड़े रह रहे हैं. तू सुन भी रहा था what we were talking about?
In front of the samosa? Not really, I have no idea who you're talking about.
Never mind, yaar. Just that guy, Ahan.
Ahan? Malhotra?
Yeah, you know him, क्या?
Do I know him? भाई वो आदमी वॉशरूम यूज करने के बाद हाथ नहीं धोता.
What? How can that be the first thing you say about any person? Any person? Like, can you just imagine him going, "Hi, I'm Ahan Malhotra and I come with 99.9% Kitaro ki Shakti." Like, what's wrong with you?
Dude, why do you know that?
Dude, सच बोल रहा हूँ. I was brushing my teeth one afternoon and पीछे के stall से he comes out and instead of washing his hands like you're supposed to, he just styled his hair and left.
Dude, are you sure that he was actually using the washroom while he was, using the washroom? Maybe he was just changing or something.
Yeah, sure. Instead of changing in the privacy of his room, he prefers to change in the hostel ka washroom because of what? The ambience.
More importantly, तू शाम को ब्रश क्यों कर रहा था?
I brush my teeth 3 times a day, always. That's why my teeth look so nice. See?
They do look nice. Unlike them, of course. It's funny, you know, how one tiny detail can change your entire judgment.
I don't know. Okay, fine. Like, up until 5 minutes ago, I was just looking at them and wondering if I'll ever have anything like that.
You mean like a bacterial infection?
No, I mean that comfort shit.
Arjun, just when I think you can't get any cheesier, you say shit like that and you reinforce my faith in your stupidity.
यार खन्ना, तू ही कुछ बोल.
यार मैं तो बस इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ कि I really want another samosa. What do you guys think? फिर से मांगूंगा तो मिलेगा?
तो पहली बार मिस आया. You know exactly how that's gonna turn out.
भैया एक और समोसा दोगे? प्लीज़.
क्या बोला? एक और समोसा? तुझे हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी एक और समोसा मांगने की? और तुझे क्या लगा तू यहाँ आ जाएगा, मैं तेरे को समोसा दे दूंगा?
Yeah, that's gonna be rough.
Guys, can we please focus on my thing?
But what exactly is your thing? You want a date?
No. I mean, yes. I don't know. See, what I'm trying to say is, when I see people who are, just makes me wonder if I'll ever have something like that.
यार तू हर चीज को इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट क्यों कर देता है? सीधे सीधा बोलना फोमो हो रहा है बहनचोद.
No, it's...
Have you tried the apps?
Yeah, actually I did. But it was so fucking confusing, man. I didn't even know what I wanted. And why do people put group pictures on a dating app? बहनचोद स्वाइप करने के पहले मैं बैठ के गैस खेल रहा होता हूँ. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि प्रोफाइल किसकी है?
It's the ugly one. Trust me. They always are.
Says the samosa connoisseur.
Oh, please, I've had more experience than you guys at least.
You know what? That's actually true. Somehow amongst the three of us, you're not invisible in this whole dating scene. And for some reason, girls seem to find you tolerable.
But we can't forget the iconic backfires.
My personal favorite will always be... So, do you support the left wing or the right wing?
Khanna. No, I don't follow football.
हाँ हंस लो.
No, but seriously though, what's your advice about this whole dating thing?
I don't think I have any advice as such. I do have one golden rule which I strictly follow no matter what.
Kya?
Never date a girl who has the same name as your mom, because that's just fucking weird. Can you imagine? You're like, no babe, I don't mean my mom when I call your name. Like, that's weird, right? Right?
Khanna, why the fuck are you like this? And then, you know what, Arjun? Just be funny. Sarcasm, self-deprecating humor. Girls love that shit. Funny is the new alpha.
So, if I joke about the fact that I've been a beta all my life, it will make me an alpha. That's interesting.
What if he says yes?
Huh?
What if I go there and be like, भैया एक समोसा देना ना, please?
अरे हाँ भैया, क्यों नहीं? ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है? आपके लिए तो है. आप एक या दो लीजिए, शर्माइए मत. Yeah, best of luck with that.
क्या पता सही में दे दे यार.
कर ले यार ट्राई. हमसे क्या पूछ रहा है?
I don't know man. गांड फट रही है for some reason.
Anyway, coming back to my thing. Being funny. Got it. That's a decent advice. Anything else?
I don't know. Play them a song on your piano or something.
That's obviously not happening.
Pop culture references, they always work.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, if you have a favorite Taylor Swift album and you can write an essay on why Fleabag is an underrated masterpiece, trust me, bro, you're the one.
What if I don't like that stuff?
Arjun, it doesn't matter what you like or don't like. Welcome to modern dating. But you need to be aware of the underrated overrated conundrum.
The underrated what?
Allow me to explain. खन्ना, जब तू स्कूल में था और अनकूल था.
यार तो अज्यूम क्यों?
खन्ना, जब तू स्कूल में था और अनकूल था, सारे बच्चे कौन सा शो देख रहे थे?
फ्रेंड्स?
और आज तू अपनी इंस्टा स्टोरी पे कौन से शो की रील्स नहीं डालेगा?
फ्रेंड्स?
My point exactly. Rule simple. You can only claim an object to be underrated X number of times where X is a finite quantity. The moment you cross X, the object becomes overrated. One Direction, Friends, Marvel, ये सब overrated है. But here's the neat part. This logic works backward too. तो आज 6 साल बाद, calling friends good would be cool. And that's why I'm on my 9th rewatch.
यार ये इतना ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों है? Honestly, Arjun, do you even want to be on these apps?
Not really. In fact, ये सब सुनने के बाद तो probably बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Then,
Looking back, it's probably just FOMO, I guess. I mean, it's been a while, you know.
How long has it been since your last relationship?
Almost 4 साल, I guess.
Oh yeah, that is long. Why do you break up though?
There's no such proper reason. It just kind of happened, you know. वही 11th का time. मैं entrance prep में busy हो गया and she had her own stuff. You know, उस time पे I used to tell myself कि it's not that big of a deal, you know. Honestly, बस 2 सालों की बात है. कॉलेज में बहुत टाइम मिलेगा ये सब करने को. But now it's like everyone's dating. And I'm the odd one out. I don't even know how to anymore.
Dude, you realize you don't have to, you know?
I know, but like, when I was with my ex, we could talk about these random and pointless things all day, and we had these internal jokes that were just so unfunny, but like, we just didn't care, you know? I kind of miss that.
Yeah, I remember my school ex, Saloni. Back then I was 100% sure she was the one. If not for her, I'd still be playing CSGO in my room, लेकिन उसने इस Pokemon को विकसित कर दिया. She taught me everything. Which bands to listen to, which font to use in an Instagram story, literally everything.
Why'd you break up then?
Oh, she got bored and cheated on me.
Oh shit. That sucks.
It's okay. I would totally forgive her. That was the peak of my life, man. I don't know if I'll ever be over her.
So she is to be blamed for all of this.
There's just no happy ending out there, is it?
सुन, मेरा एक पड़ोसी है, ठीक है? And he has a donkey named Subodh.
How the fuck is this
Just
relevant?
listen to me, Arjun. He has a donkey named Subodh. तो जब भी बात प्यार, relationships की आती है ना, तो rationality सुबोध की गांड में चली जाती है.
Please, you're the last person to lecture us about love and relationships. Have you even been in love?
No.
You love? No.
Then how the fuck are you going on with your stupid little stories?
Because you don't need to fall in a pit to know how deep it is, okay? I'm happy with not having a girl in my life.
That's not true, right? There is a girl.
Really?
There is no girl.
There is a girl.
What girl?
There is no girl. Okay, fine. There is a girl, but that's it, okay? Every time I go to the library to study.
Just pause for a second. Study?
Okay, fine. जब मैं लाइब्रेरी में सक्सेशन के एपिसोड्स देखने जाता हूँ, there's this girl that sits across me making her notes, and every day there's just this 2 seconds of eye contact, and I really look forward to that eye contact, and that's it. And neither do I want anything more than that.
There is no way that you don't know her name. तूने पक्का आज ही उसको 5 बार इंस्टा पे स्टॉक कर लिया होगा.
So to sum it up, we're all equally miserable.
It's funny, you know, like, at the end of the day, what are we chasing? It's a bunch of chemicals, right? Serotonin, dopamine. It's the kind of thing we can just get at any random pharmacy. Yet these non-living compounds are what make us feel so living. I think, is this all even worth it?
So about the samosa situation,
क्या बहनचोद सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन मोमेंट था.
just hear me out. What if? भैया, एक samosa दो जल्दी, please.
Dude, where the fuck did you get a gun from?
Huh? Actually, okay, fine. That's not happening. Fuck it. बहुत हो गया यार. I'm just gonna go over there and ask for another one. It's my right to do so, and I can't sit here and do nothing.
But the thought of just going out there and being hopeful like everyone else, doesn't that cross one's mind?
It can. It does.
But then there's also this sense of
Fear?
fear, yes.
And then you wonder what is it you're afraid of. Is it actually trying again, or is it just failing while you do so?
And it's not just about trying and failing, right? What if you don't get another chance? What if you've exhausted it all only to go out there and realize...
खत्म हो गया बहन चोद.
क्या?
समोसा, the guy, he was out of it. He said कि पहले बता देते भैया. Fuck यार, पहले ही चले जाना चाहिए था. Fuck? Samosa?
You want some?
Fuck yeah.
समोसा तो खत्म हो गया था ना? Where do you get this from?
That guy over there. He gave me Ahan. Such a sweet guy, you know?